This is the elevator at the Dillard store. South County Mall. And the cap's been redone again. Still the original buttons though. Watch what the indicator does. That's new. And this cab has gone through so many, they redo this thing a lot. Take it for another ride, too. These buttons have been replaced. These used to be all broken. I'm surprised this elevator hasn't gone through a full mod yet, as much as they redo this thing. I'm actually completely surprised these buttons are still here. Alright, there it goes, and that'll be it.